Ever scroll through endless Facebook ads secretly wishing you were the one collecting the cash? It's possible, my friend. Even if you have just created a Facebook page and your follower count seems like a lonely cricket chirp. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Manshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in this video we are going to learn how to monetize your Facebook page even if you have started from the scratch. So let's get started, but before getting started, make sure you have hit that subscribe button and turned on the bell icon over there. It's time to stop being a regular user and build your own Facebook empire, and stop thinking about the myth that you need a million of followers to get paid on Facebook. I'll equip you with battle-tested strategies and insider hacks to build your own audience, engage with your views, and unlock Facebook's lucrative monetization feature. So ditch the followers envy and get ready to cash in on your digital potential. First of all, let's talk about the requirements, the eligibility criteria to monetize your Facebook page. Number 1, you must have 5,000 followers at least. You must have posted at least 5 of your videos, and the most crucial one, you must have a 60,000 minutes watch hour. If you have met all the 3 eligibility marks, then you have been qualified for in-stream ads. Just like those ads on YouTube, Facebook will also start showing ads on your video on your paid videos, and you'll start making money from that depending upon your RPM. And now you'll ask, what's RPM? RPM means revenue per million, and it decides how much you and your page going to earn by checking up your stats, your per 1,000 views, your per 1,000 clicks, or per 1,000 impressions. And trust me guys, it's way more easier to monetize your Facebook page instead of any of other platforms. Now my friend, if you have ticked all the 3 eligibility criteria benchmark, then also you have to wait a little bit, and little bit means at least 1 month, because the eligibility criteria also counts your page must be 30 days older. 30 days older. If you are starting from the scratch, your page must be 30 days old to qualify to be monetized. After building the page, you must have been knowing what's your niche. Next step, start posting. Post regularly and take one of your finest video, and run it as a Facebook ad. See, you know your content is really good, but to pull off a genuine audience for it, you need to run ads. It's really important to pull audience and get a good reach out there. For that, you need to run ads to get more and more impressions, and that will lead you to increase both your followers and your watch hours. The thing is, if you have attracted them using your paid ads, the chances of them to follow you and that to organically improves and increases. In simple words, if your paid views are increasing, your organic views and likes and all other impressions will be increasing side by side simultaneously. Now if you are focusing on videos to get monetized, don't go here and there that I need to do this too, I need to do that too, I need to post some text, I need to post some post photos. Just stick to your videos, stick to your niche, and keep on posting regularly. Deliver good stuff regularly, and if it's trending, that too will also help you to reach your audience to get more impressions. Here, posting consistently means try to post daily. Try to post in 2 days, and if not in 2 days, try to post at least in 3 days. Let people discover you through your Facebook ads and through your content. Don't try to do, I want to do like that person. So just stick to your content and replicate it. Give the audience the right content, the right video they have come to your page for. Don't lead them to that we are going from this also and that also. I'm telling it again and again, just stick towards your niche and your type of content. Now for the video making audience, I have some tips for you so that your content literally go to higher reaches, so that your content reaches a wider audience and in a quick and lesser time. Number 1, don't go for too short or too long videos, because the shorter videos will not give you a good amount of money, but the longer videos, they have YouTube for it. They've come to Facebook for certain reasons now. So don't go for the longer videos. Try to end your videos in 3 to 8 minutes, not exceeding more than 8 minutes. Number 2, make your videos interactive with a faster pace. Add text to your videos, add sound effects to your videos, add visual effects to your videos in the beginning of the video, because they're gonna judge your video in few seconds and swipe to the next one in the beginning. So the beginning part is really very important. And number 3, if you really need to grab, then you just need a good hook. A hook that will actually hook them, a hook that will stick them throughout the video. Because not having a good hook will decline your audience, your impressions, your views. Even if you're paying your audience to watch your videos, they're not gonna stay on your page. Next one, the key to reach the next level is Facebook ad. Cause no matter whatever video you are making, no matter whatever niche you have chosen, if you are running ads, it will dedicatedly, specially reach out to the audience you want to watch your video. By running ads, get your those 5,000 followers and even more, 6 or 7 or 10,000 followers, and rest leave on your content. Your videos will make more followers, more impressions, more views, and make more money, and more and more and more and more. If you're breaking out of pennies in your wallet and don't have to spend on ads, I have another solution for you. Go for collaboration. Join Facebook groups, go for another pages and ask them to give you shout out or repost your content, make them your friends and grow together. There's a tool called linkora.co. Here you can find people of your niche by filtering the categories or their follower count. You can send them requests and ask them to collaborate, make yourself a part of their community, or vice versa, them to your community. So hopefully you have learned a lot of in this video how to boost your content, how to actually make your content and those tips around them. And the other ways, if you are not willing to spend on ads, just go for these options and they'll definitely gonna help you in your videos. And that's all in this video about how you can monetize your Facebook. And I got another set of questions asking what not to do. So if you want me to make a video on that, comment down below in the comment section that you want a video what not to post on Facebook to get monetization. So I'll definitely make a video on that too. And if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And I'll meet you super soon in the next video. Just keep watching GetAssist.